Welcome to Biz Control Lab, made in Bharat. Here two panels are available, user panel and builder panel. Let's see how to use this app. On the screen, you will see two options. If you are a property dealer or businessman, select the user panel. And if you are a builder and want to list your project, log in through the builder panel. After selecting the user panel, a new login page will open. Here you will see two options, user login and staff login. If you are an admin, log in with user login. And if you are an company staff or manager, log in with staff login. Now the login screen will appear in front of you. Here you need to enter your mobile number. An OTP will be sent to your mobile number. Enter it. And you can log in instantly. If you don't have an account yet, click on the sign up button below to create a new account. The interface will look like this, where you need to fill in your company details. After that, enter your mobile number. In the user panel and log in with OTP. Six four three. After that, you will see a simple dashboard. Here you will get options for HR management, CRM, project booking system, connect social media platforms, and tutorial. Everything in one place to manage your business easily.